Since we are in the holiday season, I thought it would be interesting to cover a useful word that has several meanings in Portuguese. The good thing is that you can use it in most cases the same way you use it in English, helping you build confidence. Today, we will be talking about the different uses of the word presente. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications to my new videos. Also, feel free to check out my Amazon US store filled with Portuguese goodies, great for the holidays. I also have a full selection with Portuguese books and workbooks that are so hard to find online. Bom, e agora vamos começar! Being present, giving a present. Present is one of the most iconic holiday season words, but there is so much more to this word. The word present can be a noun, an adjective, an interjection. It can literally be translated to English as present, and I'm sure you can think of 2 or 3 meanings for it. Well, the same happens in Portuguese. As a noun, it can be a present, a gift, something you give to someone. Adoro comprar presentes para a família. I love buying gifts for the family. O que recebeste como presente de aniversário? What did you get as a birthday present? It's also a noun when referring to the current time, the opposite of both past and future. No presente, não é tão fácil viajar como em 2019. At present, it is not as easy to travel as it was in 2019. I wanted to point out a useful synonym of no presente, as currently. It's the Portuguese word atualmente that is a big false friend. Remember that in Portuguese, atualmente is currently, nowadays, not equivalent to the English actually. So if you would like to learn more about true cognates, check out my video, Portuguese Vocabulary Made Easy. Present can also refer to a person when speaking about people present somewhere, opposite to absent, as in todos os presentes na reunião concordaram com a decisão. Everyone at the meeting agreed with the decision. When playing the role of an adjective in a sentence, it can refer to being present at a place combined with verb estar. A minha irmã estava presente na reunião quando tudo aconteceu. My sister was present at the meeting when it all happened. Now some uses for the word present, very different from English. When combined with the verb ter, it forms a fixed expression meaning to remember, keep in mind, having memory of, to bear in mind. Não encontro o documento. Tens presente a data em que isso aconteceu? I can't find the document. Do you remember the date when that happened? Podes ir à festa, mas tem presente que tens de chegar às 22 horas. You can go to the party, but keep in mind that you have to arrive at 10 p.m. Lastly, present can be a useful interjection, especially for students. When a teacher is taking attendance in Portugal, you should reply with presente, meaning I'm present here. Sandra Carapinha, presente! I wanted to thank everyone that left a comment on my Christmas video and helped raise 50 euros that I will donate to AMI in Portugal. If you're looking for ways to give back in Portugal during the holiday season, make sure to check out my video. I also wanted to leave you the link to a great Portuguese Christmas song called Presente no Natal that you can try to sing along. Adeus e boas festas!